How to stop receiving emails from TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your email, and you're gonna look for a one specific TikTok email that you've been receiving. So for example, this one, I have received this email from TikTok. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down to the bottom part of that message, and they will actually give you the option to unsubscribe and not receive any emails coming from TikTok. So here, as you can see, want to change how to receive these emails, so you can update your preferences or unsubscribe from this list. So since we want to stop receiving emails, then all you have to do is to tap on unsubscribe and open it to a specific browser. So for me, I just want to have to use the Chrome here, and then just wait for it. It will actually redirect you, and it will ask you to log in to your account, and then tap on continue here. As you can see here, then you have to just tap on authorize here and tap on confirm, accept. And basically that is it, and that is how to stop receiving emails from TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.